So Bekaya, after the World Cup, you book Kev Nibirum January February. I'm a form Nankasa say a page away consistent. And when I see who said there be some man tired, how we say down. They are form ne page a corner has some for best. You know, almost after one to Raj Nibium. Almost this time around, they were ready some offering 12 million euros a year. With 1 year no best sign. But on my man an additional option, which means the number of years no almost almost stand. By Sika 7 on my day, almost almost stand. And a boy in the system na Debbie. No, we say, not Xavi Hernandez after Ike Gundogan back in February and Sakwan Mberemu match in the episode in the year Juma. Because him say at the end of the season, you know, Obeko for free. I know Kikan Sem na Oba, Memo attacking midfield, Memo Gina say, Oba say na be, and when you involve you no quality this uncommon. Oh, yeah, no, suffer Christ money bed. Anna Matthew Alimani, so certain who be Jim, Anna Brantania convinced Kwano Beko, and the number of years Anna Barcelona offer here 2 years with an option to extend for 1 year, which is 3 years. Compared to City, 1 year with an option to extend for 1 year. And I say, and they say, wait, the years near day. Anymore. And Lewandowski so freno.
On any din komo.
On any din komo.
On na ye juma so da.
We know aye juma.
And on e ba mi nu.
And e ba mi.
Second, third one e dey them is all teams na and Kessié City.
O she the way Barcelona Kessié City tie no.
Or the compare Man City.
Man is go akwaje Barcelona. Akwaje 9 million euros a year. Which means 3 million euros lower than the City offer no last one over they count on.
Oh, okay.
But he feels Barcelona an upgrade when the last contract are all signed when the career move. Barcelona the opportunity to play there. Number 2, and you finish about 1 year with an option to extend there. We want money 2 years straight. And they won a contract to Mukras and the second season of Barcelona. No, what me 60% of the games at Barcelona beba third year activation no. On the PDS can Mukras had the account on their man. Tina Branty will move for Manchester City. Akwako PMU 18 friend Barcelona. Congratulations to Ike Gundogan. And over 50 to the setup, but there's a clause within contract now was signed. So Barcelona ain't me and register no. As at 12 August, now was almost starting La Liga now. Obetime as a free agent. About transfer window near opened.
Oh, okay. I want to register on that time now. So you move on. Why team up?
Why team up?
Maybe Barcelona on register.
No, I see I can't for.
I'm register.
Barcelona ever register. Neymar once I want about same day. Abu Neymar are confused. Oh, so on Saudi Arabia deal now answer on Paris Saint-Germain. Omo konifie ekoye protest bitiana enche ye na ya aware. But as a stance, Neymar feels say as a Messi no na down for no. Messi is leaving PSG akakopie mo Miami. Kylian Mbappe na ono so ye de ono ka project no ho di 2 years ke be ko ne ni no be project no. E say Mbappe no so consider the steps so no so person free Paris Saint-Germain. It has ono nko akwakoye ade so bi so ne say ade na obi e ko na nko ade akoka nko an da so si wo. And Neymar ehunu ne say the relationship with the supporters of the French and our French team at Paris Saint-Germain over. It needs to change environment. It's not only about money, but Neymar wants to still experience top level football. The options here too. Only Luis Enrique Kasai. But did you say the way Luis Enrique Boa no Tama no war Barcelona in 2014-2015 no? Coach in the bar, I run the bear. Nipo betima reviving the career game. They are tossing me no. Or free one man, not Okolona, a bit me aboa because you see the contract with Paris Saint-Germain aka 4 years. 4 years, there's almost some more tongue so I mean just as sad for the barrel 30 40 bar PSG veggie. Because PSG are spending 220 million euros on him. PSG and for Neymar crown they expect so much money, not less than 80 million euros. Akoya coincide. The only option PSG have for Neymar so better as you say or crucial the bonshad and crucial part of the project. Luis Enrique Caso on Pena, they will have to take him on loan. Loan him for no money Nebeko. And no, and Akoye Delima. Most of the top clubs don't want to pick up Neymar. Most of the top clubs don't want to pick up Neymar.
Neymar no convon is as
Neymar call Paris Saint-Germain.
Awu is that the name.
Abu Adumanesi because Neymar call Paris Saint-Germain. In all competitions, say Neymar about 30 matches crying. The only reason why they love him and they still reverend him, I say. The numbers and the outputs and they brought the number of matches because last season say about 29 matches now or involving himself in 35 goals and assists. They brought the number of games no boy and so. But in terms of a modern any parties are kesiye, any energy are kesiye, most clubs are running away from Neymar plus the form. It's a man a big headache at the Paris Saint-Germain to move him on. my friend or Liverpool, a branch of friend Fabio Carvalho, or call Leipzig on loan. Liverpool Antonio. Leipzig for your madness and conversation a branch permanently. Nanka omudi ashemu say ye turn na mu clause amu benyani sell on clause. And I say be more the first option and I say ye turn na more the first say some makasi ye penny back and I peno. Liverpool say tintini dictate and penny sa. Boy no you too talented. Oba 1 year loan. Oboria on Sambra back. It's Fabio Carvalho will join Leipzig on loan. Ofionoma no about back. Then Jeremy Frimpong. Ni agent ni make sure so on Neymar United be din komo. On Chelsea be din komo. On Bayern Munich be din komo. Abu, watch out for this particular space, especially with the way Joao Cancelo and Kawaka deals. AI quite complicated. Jeremy Frimpong comes into context as to a player most of these clubs will love to sign, but Manchester United is out because Oma extended the contract of Aya Brantia, your friend Diego Dalot. I don't want Bisaka. You look at team friend Chelsea, Reece James is already there. And Chelsea looking for an injury situation in the Bepopelon. But as it stands, the priority of Chelsea is to get another midfielder closer to Enzo. If the options are open for Jeremy Frimpong and Abu Dhabi the price aging at 35 million euros, who will scar now the Ababefa Jeremy Frimpong. Brozovic Kwako PMO Saudi, but in Tamlan and near Brea some person will go through in Tamlan, he has kind of deal with to make sure so make my sign a fratesi.
Deal with any sick.
To make sure so make my sign a fratesi.
Ariana, we know did the Barcelona for the bomb saying.
Marcelo Brozovic.
Yeah, Brozovic. Zama there's a Barca for zone in Namachi.
Yeah, Marcelo Brozovic. Barcelona for nya commit my signing for the number 6 role. We 2 years a Busquets econo. He's a perfect replacement, not necessarily perfect as in extremely perfect, but at least the experience that he has. And in the level now, one ball from World Cup to Inter Milan or bit my baby shed that number 6 role for now. Then Ombesan Zubimendi later on. Because Zubimendi remains the main target of Barcelona. But price is not done so no. When Inter Milan for any Mukambu's on imagine 40 to 45 million euros from Saudi for. Will Barcelona pay 40 or 45? No. They won't pay such an amount for Brozovic. And I Inter Susu here Lazano. And their business. Already I'm watching on music as it's Brozovic. It's likely so no because Saudi Arabia. Inter G's can a next player Mukakofano Fratesi. Because one young in Tema, Fatesi no AC Milan to Tarehon. Fatesi na no anya where so Juventus to Tarehon because Juventus is not sure assistant per the standard of a branch of an Adria Rabiot. Ah no, omo he no muso beti ma babesi akai e de amomo. Saudi si carry the Firmino kwako GBD no so de call the baby. It baby akwakoduru ni de me say Abu Dhabi. Players no obi obenya hu bia no. No, Firmino is already there and he's taking the money and it fits him right. So back up more. Vadiol. Manchester City near Branty will agree personal terms. Abu City are going to pay not less than 150,000 pounds a week for Vadiol. But the biggest cross another headline that hopa your money will be Leipzig. Leipzig say more 100 million euros in Emre. Yen peneton penenoa. City offer more prepared verbally on money or didn't come on say keep it mind in 9 time I'm not carry the akai day. I add-ons. City needs a left-footed centre back. Our young. Oh yes, Natanake is a perfect footballer. He's been doing so well for team friend Manchester City. But in his absence, when the ball left centre back, the Man City. Laporte is near left-footed. John Stones is near left-footed. Or not some push a kanji. And City does not have even a stagnant left back. And Natanake can prove to be an option for the left back. City decides on for backer. Then the centre back, you have Vadiol, energetic, aggressive, young, athletic. Itiabu, wait, and the City main focus. Most of man for Busana declare rights, and then City Abu City wants to sort this deal out first. The priority of Manchester City is to sign Vadiol. No more personal terms, the boy is ready to move. City prepare official bid in the next 2 or 3 days. City the 90 million euros plus add-ons back to PMO or Leipzig. No matter Nasi, no matter sorting it out. Then this boy will become so as it stands. About 75% to 80% sure said this boy will be playing for Manchester City next season. Lucas Hernandez Bayern Munich won't pay 50 million euros a few PSG. And you casa tenting. And you feel now be ye casa be boy and you access also mama BM. We are okay. Or person Obama mo the 50 million euros in the bar. No more far. But team of friend PSG says as a mama komochi kakra or mahomeso. They need to sell. PSG needs to sell. They need to sell. Assistant anything na person mudi name they need to wait cap no was throw. Already Messi ate so. It's no more Mbappe ya away. Some person more turn they are forgoing 150 million. Said they be explaining now. They need to catch the almost the players be gumbe bre. Vitinha o Wanyo be a gumbe bre. They need to sell. And also Muje Bitcoin, no more Befa Lucas Hernandez for 50 million euros. Arsenal agree personal terms with Juventus, but the new contact between Ajax and Arsenal say Arsenal bid 45 million euros guaranteed. A Barcelona add-ons become 48 million euros. But we are catching the agency and say it is Arsenal or nothing. Or so PM no see a kind of Arsenal. Finally, Arsenal are getting their man unless bar a last minute review we bet back of Chabirium. And clubs will bet back for Juventus, but none of them are interested as it stands in terms of their priorities. But I mean, a priority yet. Centre back at the right, or Mukim in Jano when you have this or Mupes or Fanny the co. We have Manchester United, Manchester United, maybe Madrid in Namno, and this Casem in Namno, and then Drew and Timber side. It is Arsenal have their man on their cars, and Arsenal will be signing a signing contract up to 2028. Arsenal prepare another bid for Declan Rice. They need to be smart because Manchester City the bid no call Leipzig, not Leipzig for G2. It is over for Arsenal. Declan Rice, Manchester City will come in full force. So to be smart, Samina City and your brain one City just a value between 90-100 no. Arsenal are fair ready. Arsenal prepare bid Navy. Arsenal will be presenting a bid in excess of £100 million. Add-ons need become by structures in the best sir. Wasn't the carcass and 4 years, and rising to 5 years. Arsenal here any so mathematical structure so and they about 3 or 2 years. No matter making sure so much signing about was Arsenal I will say it is Arsenal or nothing. On the swap we see a camera momo. Rabio, and there were reports coming out from England. Sir Brantiano or Trent Manchester contacting him. Yes, it is true. From last summer, and Man United, and in the dim como say, one person almost signing on. Mamma no money and Kutaube Casabebre. But Abu, this morning, the news coming from Italy also suggests to us as Branti we say, yeah, extending the contract to the Ama Juventus. But no clue woman, as a stance, this boy has not communicated the next move to any single body. On any mate and I see way options. The dream is over about the Premier League. But Premier League no but as to so be accepting Manchester United no offer ne da ho. As to so bet na Ama Juventus no offer ne da ho. And omo hwe ni mienu nyina and the contract ni be June 30th. He does not want to comment or make any other thing before June 30th. So after June 30th no, Adria Rabi ona the beba bonti say Magia 2 me ko say and I metina ha abonka. But Juventus are hopeful. Say Ombetima Abrante reacts now because of one person, Allegri. Abrante will do Allegri too much. Because I believe it's Allegri man a better player this season. Or boy no manage me debit because we were more French national team, Wako World Cup final, Waba the Europa League, Waba Europa League semis. And he has been a key player for them in that particular side. So the 2 years in your Mabetima yes, Abu Dhabi, Manchester United, they jive £55 million and they are 2 tables, no free on them call. And Makache Chelsea say, yeah, the 55 in that we are ready someone here Bekasa. Mon frère, Babi Dinkomo, near Babetono. Manchester City, they are not going anywhere above the £55 million on my bed for Messi Mount. Messi Mount, so I catch Chelsea say, someone told me and from Manchester United that make free next season. Face-to-face talks that Todd Bowley Moko requested say can between or more and Manchester United and penny for Manchester United penny for now to actually baby say and just face-to-face in Como. Mubuya, this is the bed idea about Munya, Munyem, Manchester TSC actually or more options. They will love to sign Adre Rabiot on free as an option. They will love to go in for Moises Caicedo as an option at the back line. Some Betima sign, Then they will look at other players be on Betima Babeshin FIFA. But as it stands, 2 players and their options are realistic. The Manchester United say they can go in for Caicedo or even Rabiot. Caicedo no crown £80 million on the Chelsea so catch almost or Muntrian and name Triana China.
Mate, Akomeah.